guys. I'm not gonna be crispy for a minute. I gotta make sure he ain't going over here. He always go over them. He not rude. Every time he get on the camera, he always try to make it seem like he rude, but he really not. He just stupid. But yeah, this is gonna be a weekly vlog, so y'all gonna be following me around for a whole week. I wouldn't say a whole week, probably about 3 days, because I plan on being productive on the 3 days that I'm off next week.
5.6 miles, turn right onto State Route 208.
Yeah, I'll get my eyebrows. I'm currently looking for to come get my eyebrows. I'm gonna take a precious little time.
One in a million, it goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is.
Hey y'all, so I know this is supposed to be like, you know, a little vlog or whatever, but I honestly forgot to film myself getting my hair did. Like, she did my hair and I forgot to film it. Cause honestly, we be too wrapped up in our conversation to film sometimes, but yeah, I forgot to finish it. But I'm finna insert some clips here, here, and let y'all see how it look, because it look good. I ain't even gonna cap. I got a little ass head, but I'm finna do my makeup so I can, I don't know. I'm finna do my makeup so I can see the finished product of this. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I ordered some lashes from Amazon and they just got here. They called Rory Show Your Beauty lashes. They got Instagram, but this is not a sponsorship, so I'm not gonna put it. And how the fuck do I get in these? Okay, and this is how the lashes look. It's different kinds, but I haven't tried none on yet, so hopefully they look right. I'm gonna do my makeup so I can see the finished product of my hair. Cause you know, a look is not done until your makeup done. To be honest, this is how I feel about it. I don't give a fuck about what y'all feel, but this is how I feel. I look so cute. I look like a little girl. Like, I look young. I'm gonna speed this part up since I already got a tutorial on my makeup look. If you haven't already, go check that video out. I'll link it in the description box if you want to see my everyday makeup look, even though this might not be an everyday makeup look. It might, but it might not.
That's why I spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I want to share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Don't forget to come and pick up your feeling. Okay, yeah, I'm finished, and the lashes are 10 out of 10. 10 out of motherfucking 10. Recommend. I'm not leaking them. This is not sponsored, but if you want to know, then yeah. I don't know what to tell you. DM me. Go look on Amazon. That's all I gotta tell you. No free sponsorships. I look good. I'm currently waiting for my mans to get off of work. Cause honey, he's taking a little bit too long. He's supposed to get off at 4 and it's 4:28. I'm a good one cause I'm tired, but as long as I'm occupied by YouTube, I'm straight. But these lashes giving very much lash extensions. Like, look at them. They're cute. I said I was gonna do eyeshadow, but I really didn't. I forgot I said that. Well, I mean, technically, I did, but I didn't do like colorful like how I always do. So yeah. Hey guys, I know I've been neglecting y'all.
Man, don't be the fucking.
Embarrassing me. He got a haircut. He look good. Look at him.
Go on, man.
I don't know why you looking crazy in here, y'all. My edges were on. Well, did yesterday, as y'all saw. But
I'm trying to smoke that gas and you interrupting my session.
For some reason, ignore him. They messed up, y'all.
They're always messed up.
Don't listen to him. I'm finna lead him to it. And then after that, we're finna go look at some cars. I guess, I think, yeah. Yes, we got a car, guys. Period. And yeah, you. Hold on. Yeah, my boy finally got a car. He can finally, you know, hear him. And if anybody proud of this boy right here, just know, Big Drake is. We call each other big because we do big things. And that's on what? That's on period. And Cartel, on your fiance.
You don't get a promise ring no more. We get you a wedding ring. It's gonna get engaged.
You for real? Yeah, that's his car. We finally got off the lot. Like, we was in there for 5 hours trying to get a car. But anyways, yeah, I'm following behind him. That's him, period.
What you do to me, between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else, let me like you do. That's why I'm mine, spend my life with you. I wanna please you, any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So y'all, I know y'all thinking, why is this girl so tired after making up her bed? Well, that ain't all I did. I cleaned up my whole closet. And y'all know I got a big ass closet. And I also got 2 bags of clothes that I'm giving away. Yes, ma'am. I think I'm gonna give it to the Goodwill. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to the Goodwill. That's what I'm gonna do, and yeah, I gotta figure out where I wanna put these clothes now because my house ain't that big, so yeah. might throw them in the corner. Ain't nobody gonna see them over there. And if you do see them over there, you nosy as hell. Cause why you looking at my corner? That's just how I feel about it. And I don't know why my boyfriend be putting juice beside the bed. I guess he get thirsty at night, and I don't know, but and then it's so hot. Like, what's the point? Put it in the refrigerator. Like, damn.
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be.
So I just rode to the car wash, and I'm finna get ready to clean out my car, vacuum out my car, all that. Cartel would usually help me with this, but he at work and he tired, so I'm not gonna ask him to help me. So y'all gonna set y'all up somewhere. Okay, y'all might be kind of cricket, but it's okay. Y'all get the concept. I ain't got nowhere to set y'all for real. But yeah, I'm gonna get all my trash out the car and yeah, do that. Hey y'all, so right now we giving like our little report, because every morning we come in we got to give a report on the patient, because when you work in the hospital you get new patients every day. So yeah.
Just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.